Okay, everybody, I've got most of your quizzes, and I want to show you how to actually do the quiz. And some of the averages were pretty good, so those of you who didn't do well, pay attention because this will be on the test. All right, on number 1, that is a central angle of 25 degrees, which means the arc is also 25 degrees. It does not double. It doubles like in number 2. This angle is, the vertex is on the circle. So this 100 degrees means that the arc, TSR, is 200 degrees. Okay, except it's not asking for TSR, it's asking for TRS. If that's 100 degrees, then this means this side of the angle is 80. It makes a straight line, and that means the arc is 160. There's nothing telling us what SR is, so we can add that to 160 to get TRS. So this problem cannot be done as is. I did not count it wrong. I didn't even grade it. And then we go to number 3, and angle ABE is inside the circle. It is not a central angle like number 1. So you have to do a formula. So we'll call this angle X. X is equal to 1/2. And again, these two chords cross each other, so that means we're adding the two angles, 180 and 38. 180 and 38 is 218. So you take half of that, and you get 109. 109 is the answer for angle ABE. Number 4, the angle's on the outside of the circle, so we're going to subtract. The big arc, 250, minus the small arc. And again, you have to take 1/2 of that total when you're done. Except we don't know what that angle, this arc is right here. We can get it by taking 360 minus the 250. And when we do that, we get 110 degrees for that arc measurement. So that is our smaller arc, big arc minus the smaller arc. So we take 1/2 of 140 degrees, which is 70 degrees. Number 5, the 110 is on the circle, so all we do is double it to get X. That's 220. And number 6, it wants JKL. So it wants this whole arc. You could get JGK if you wanted to, or you could just realize that JKL is 180 minus that 72, because that whole arc would be 180 from H to L. If we take out the 72, that'll give us what we want. So 180 minus 72 is going to give us 108. And there you go. That's your quiz. Hopefully you all thought that was easy.